Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.
When I did Bholi Punjaban, so my manager type person at the time told me, अरे यार ये hair की category block हो गई है, अभी makeup का नहीं मिलेगा तुमको कोई endorsement, skin का आपकी कोई लड़की वाली बात जो लड़कियों वाली endorsement है वो नहीं मिलेगी. Particularly one film which was I was told is very feminist and whatever, but it turned out to be really like if I hadn't put my foot down about some stuff, it would have been rather vulgar.
Have you been cheated of money?
Yeah. Of course.
Like, how much? And how many times?
Crores. Easily. Yeah, many times. In this gully only. I remember I had to travel to be his +1 for the Venice Film Festival with Judi Dench. I was like, I'm not missing your Judi Dench red carpet for the world. He was like, but no one knows. I was like, let's just tell them now, it's time. We cook together also, but Ali makes amazing pasta. So we found out quite late. But I found out maybe say an hour before him. That's it. And then I just told him and he was so thrilled, and I think he will make the best father. You'll have a backache, your feet will swell, you'll have a headache, you'll have blurry vision, all of those things together. After the premiere, I was mostly in bed a whole day. I had a really bad migraine.
Yeah.
But you can see, it was such a circus.
Yeah.
The whole industry, there was too many people. It's not unsolicited advice as much as just coming up to you and talking to you about their own terrible experiences. Like, I had 6 miscarriages before I had my child or something, and I just block it out.
Well, I have watched the entire season of Hira Mandi, and I have only love for Richa. Once you watch it, you will feel her pain, you will feel empathetic towards Lajjo. And today, for our brand new show, which is called Table for Two, यहाँ पे table set है with a lot of food items. And first of all, congratulations, double congratulations on the show and also on welcoming a baby very, very soon. So the food has been made according to your wish, ताकि आप खा पाओ ठीक से. And thank you for doing this for Galata India.
Thank you.
We love you, Richa. We really love you.
Thank you, Nan. What a nice introduction and what a lovely spread.
क्या क्या खाने में अच्छा लगता है?
I think मैं ये सब तो खाने वाली हूँ.
सब खाने वाले हो?
और तुम्हारे चिकन के नीचे से निकाल के आलू भी खाऊंगी.
Please खा लो. But Richa, when you speak of Hira Mandi, before we move into the entire food segment, but जब हीरा मंडी की बात करें तो Lajwanti is a character that draws so much of pain, and you show and you portray all the pain through a smile. It is so difficult and it's so dichotomous to play, like for somebody to play a character like this. How did you envision, because you're an artist, and whenever you get a character like this, you actually portray it your way. What was the first thing that came in your mind when you were offered this part?
Actually, I was at first offered something else, like I told you, but that had shades of grey. So I always think also from the audience's point of view. I don't want that I come on screen and they know कि अच्छा अब तो कुछ होने वाला है, ये मारेगी उसको या गाली देगी या कुछ. So I wanted to break that stereotype. Plus, I was very excited about this song and being directed by Mr. Bhansali. Initially, only the first few episodes were to be directed by him.
Yeah.
And I wanted to do this because I get accused of playing very empowered roles and कि आप तो social issues के लिए और इसके लिए आप
नारेबाजी.
हाँ. So I was like, let me do something where the woman is actually very tragic and has no hope in life. She's a hopeless romantic. And she's an addict. Yeah. So I wanted to play that. So let's see.
Something is so beautiful about Lajjo because, oh my God, when you speak about hopeless romantics, I think most of us in this generation who are hopeless romantics are actually trapped with the idea of love, because our idea of love actually doesn't match the kind of expectations that people today have. Today it's a Tinder generation. You also are from that generation where, we've believed in eternal romances. What is your idea of love?
My idea of love is like respect, companionship, laughter, and chemistry. I think these are the 3 4 things that really matter to me. And I'm really blessed to have a great partner actually, who's so like amazing at everything. He's so caring, so good looking, so everything. So I'm
That's true.
very
So
blessed.
protective, so respectful.
Yeah, he's very, and especially now with our impending pregnancy, he's always like, you'll never hear him say she's pregnant. He'll be like, oh, we are pregnant, you know. So it's very cute. So I've been blessed like that, but I think I'm lucky that I was never on any dating site. Like I was already dating the man of my dreams by the time Tinder and all came to India. But because it would be little difficult
True.
to have, I don't know, yeah, if I get too many options to choose on like what to watch or what to order, I get so confused. And I don't think it should be so, we are all like, what about romance? So I'm like an old school romantic.
बट वो तो दिखता है क्योंकि आई फील लाइक जब अली की और आपकी बात करें तो यू नो डबल कांग्रेचुलेशंस लाइक दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड हाउ व्हेन डिड यू फाइंड आउट दैट यू आर प्रेग्नेंट एंड हाउ डिड ही एंड यू बोथ रिएक्ट टू द न्यूज़ डिड यू फाइंड आउट बिफोर ऑफ कोर्स यू फाउंड आउट बिफोर हिम बिफोर टेलिंग or did you find out together?
Actually, we've both found out quite late. Like, yeah, because, and you'll hear this a lot, like, you must have seen it in movies and all. There are certain things that are a little bit deceptive when a woman has conceived, or it can take some time to actually figure out. Then those tests that are over the counter
Yeah.
tests are available. They are not very easy to
Detect.
yeah. So we found out quite late. Um, but I found out maybe say an hour before him. That's it. And then I just told him, and he was so thrilled, and I think he will make the best father.
Absolutely, I think he is truly one of the coolest guys. Like I think he's you are more practical. I think he is practical, but he is a little more sentimental, which people don't really see that side. He hides that.
Yeah, he's a good. Yeah, I mean, for me, it's a surprise to see him as like Guddu Pandit or something, because I know I'm like, he's so sweet, he's so caring, and he has a softer side. Not to say he does, like if he gets mad, he can be a Guddu, and you better watch out. But it'll take him a while to get mad.
That's
So
true.
that's the thing.
That's
Yeah.
true. But you know, Lajwanti in the series, she's a hopeless romantic. She's almost delusional. Almost, yeah, she is delusional in love. When she walks in with that air, and she's spritzing, and
Yeah.
you know that she has that nazakat also, and she's living in a bubble and a world of her own. Encapsulating all those emotions, how did you manage to do that? And you know, I genuinely, and I can say this because a lot of media people have already watched, and we were discussing that your character takes away the cake and takes away everybody's hearts in the first 2 episodes itself.
Thank you. No, this is the reason I wanted to do it. It's kind of like dessert, that character. You know you want more, but you know you can't have, because it's borderline unhealthy.
Yeah.
And see, for me, I just love to break people's expectations of me. I love to do things that maybe other people are not doing, or taking up challenges
Yeah.
where someone like I always say, when I did Bholi Punjaban, so my manager type person at the time told me, अरे यार ये hair की category block हो गई, अभी makeup का नहीं मिलेगा तुमको कोई endorsement, skin का आपकी कोई लड़की वाली बात जो लड़कियों वाली endorsement है वो नहीं मिलेगी, because everyone around me was so छुई मुई at the time. This is 10 years ago also.
Yeah.
Things have changed. But it's an iconic character.
Absolutely.
There's no other character like that in Bollywood. It's so well written, it's so interesting, and it's got so much namak and masala, like the most delicious character,
Absolutely.
So I love playing it, and I know there'll be lots of chatter. Now that you've seen the whole thing, there will be tremendous amounts of chatter about this. Like, why did you choose this? And this is the screen time, vagara. I think those are questions that can be addressed to the makers, but honestly, I had so much fun doing this character. A, because it's very challenging, and to play drunk on screen is not easy. You have to be drunk, like this character is always swaying a
Drunk,
little
yeah.
bit,
Yeah.
but never like falling also, but falling with like
And then laughing.
painful
Yeah.
laughter,
Yeah,
you know.
painful. Actually, the laughter has a lot of pain.
Yeah.
Like when that Jhumar scene happens right
Yeah.
after the interaction that you have with Aditi's Bibojan, and you fall, and then she's concerned, and she comes and then you look and you laugh, but everybody can see the pain in that
Yeah.
laughter. It's difficult.
It's very difficult. It's also difficult to be, you know, drunk and also remember your lines and also not make it comical. Usually what happens is people take a cue from somebody who's played drunk in Bollywood and they just repeat it,
Yeah.
like Bachchan Saab in Amar Akbar Anthony. He played an iconic drunk scene and only he can do that. तो उसके बाद से सारे लोग जो मतलब barring a few performances here and there, very few have played drunk convincingly, and I'm not a big drinker or anything. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a hangover also in my life, but this is what it is. And see, this is a challenge. Like, this
Yeah.
is what I love to
It's
do.
also lovely to do such a delicious character. But when you say that, कि बहुत लोग ऐसे होता है कि क्या होता है ना कि आपको जब ऑफर किया गया 2 अलग रोल्स हीरा मंडी में ही, पर आपने ये रोल चूज किया, तो आप मतलब many people in your situation would have done the opposite because of the screen time, like you mentioned. How are you so different?
Like, to be honest, like whoever's done a negative role here, whether it's Manisha ji or Sonakshi or even Sanjida for that matter, who is so beautiful and so
Lovely.
soft. You know, we are seeing them like that for the first time. So there's something exciting both for the actor and for the audience. So I always think that ek to I can do it, like, you know, easily, and people will also associate.
Expect it.
Yeah. A little bit grey, a little bit. I mean, I can still make her cute and vulnerable and do it in my own way. But this Lajjo being so completely like a disempowered woman.
Yeah.
She's disempowered. She's totally an abla. And we have to see that side in the Kotha also. This is the reality. Not all is beautiful and glorious and like, you know, everyone in beautiful costumes and things. Not everything is perfect. There will be people who have addiction issues, psychological issues, traumas, violence, so much. You know, we want to see all that.
Absolutely. And तब के ज़माने में तो होता भी था. But before we move on, because it's a food show, so हम लोग अभी खाना चालू करेंगे. So what do you want to start with?
Whatever.
We'll start off with the
Pesto tofu.
Tofu.
Thank you so much.
And why tofu? Like, when did you turn like fully
More than the
vegetarian?
tofu, I like pesto. Actually, tofu is not so good to be had on a regular basis, guys, because it's like, so enjoy.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's really nice.
It's actually nice. Although I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian, but I really like this.
Really?
Yeah.
What have you
Bengali,
ordered?
yaar.
Yeah.
The first thing you will tell, oh, mach bhat. No, I think Bengalis are just, they have great vegetarian food also.
Yeah.
But has your food habits changed in the pregnancy time?
Little bit. Especially now with the heat. I tend to eat smaller meals but more frequently.
Yeah. So what
I
is
have
it
to
that-
up my calorie intake.
That's true. But do you feel more exhausted?
Yeah, I get more exhausted. That's why I can't do more than 3-4 interviews a day.
Yeah. But Richa, pregnancy can be a little complicated also because there are so many changes internally that happens with a woman's body, you know.
They all happen simultaneously. That's the problem. Like, you'll have a backache, your feet will swell, you'll have a headache, you'll have blurry vision. All of those things together.
Oh, shit.
So you're like a malfunctioning robot, you know, in some corner. You have brain fog. All that happens.
But mood swings, does it also come with a lot of mood swings? Do you
a little
face
bit,
that?
yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
How do you deal with that? What has been the toughest day during pregnancy? क्या हुआ मतलब?
I think the toughest days are when you are just lying down and you just can't function. There are days when exhaustion, like after the premiere, I was mostly in bed a whole day. I had a really bad migraine.
Yeah.
But you can see, you know, it was such a circus.
Yeah.
The whole industry, matlab, there was too many people, lots and lots of people. Like, I'm not saying I'm very grateful for the turnout. but there was
But
a lot
it's-
of crashers.
but it's also like it's too overwhelming for somebody who's actually gonna you're due in July if I'm
Mhm.
not mistaken, so it's almost like we
Mm.
are almost there, like 2 months away, 2.5 months away.
Yeah, and then crowds can get scary, no?
Yeah,
At a
Yeah.
time like that. Why are you not eating?
I'm eating. This is the chicken,
I'm
grilled
taking
chicken.
aloo
You're only
from your
taking the
chicken.
mashed potatoes, which is amazing. Again, Calcutta से याद आता है कि कैलकाटा में हर चीज में आलू होता है. किसी ने मुझे कल ही बोला phone
कैलकाटा
पे.
की बिरयानी में आलू होता है.
हाँ, बिरयानी. Have you had?
Yeah.
Do you love it? Biryani you want?
Bengali food is my favorite.
Usually before pregnancy, what are the things that you loved eating? क्या खाने में मजा आता था?
I think generally if we eat healthy at home, we also like to cook, both of us. Yeah, and we cook together also. But Ali makes amazing pasta. I love to eat uske haath ka pasta.
Lovely.
Properly make it with marinara sauce, and it's just amazing.
And what do you make for him?
I make mostly Indian cuisine, simple dal chawal type of stuff that he really enjoys.
When was the last time you cooked?
I think a week ago
Oh, what did you cook?
I made dal, kasuri methi, you know, na?
Hmm.
So kasuri methi and aloo, kind of like roasted, almost very nice, tangy, and jeera rice and raita. Yeah.
Simple but just those
Wholesome.
comfort food. बचपन से ना हम मतलब when we were growing up, everybody has this one food which is comfort food. Okay. तो मुझे पहले जानना है कि आपका ऐसा कोई खाना है जो मतलब when you are unwell, when you are not feeling well, it's a mood lifter or
Yeah.
just your health lifter. ऐसा कुछ है?
I would say really simple homemade dal chawal.
Oh.
Hot and just fresh and nice.
But is there a particular way कि जहाँ पे आप दाल कैसे बनाते हो? मतलब हर किसी के घर का दाल भी अलग होता है.
हाँ. So I am very lucky because my dad is Punjabi but my mom is Bihari. So I know both tadkas. The Bihari tadka is very simple and the Punjabi tadka has a lot of tadka, masala.
But बिहारी में क्या फिर? बिहारी दाल में
Bihari
क्या?
is just like they'll put a little bit of mustard oil or just garlic or zeera. And Punjabi will be like green chili, red chili, the degi mirach with dhania, pudina. Nice.
But do you like a tikha? Do you like tikha? Do you like?
I like tikha.
You like tikha?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
That's why when you said jhalmuri, I was salivating. Jhal.
But yeah, यहाँ पे मिलता नहीं है. एक तो वो mustard oil में यहाँ पे आधी चीजें बनती नहीं है. So also it's according to people's taste. यहाँ पे लोग coconut oil या फिर normal oil, refined oil ज़्यादा use करते हैं. Ghee. But मैं भी मतलब हमारे वहाँ पे fish fry भी बहुत अलग होता है. कैलकाटा में fish हर चीज even the fish curry
कैलकाटा
that
में तो
you make.
प्रसाद में fish मिलता है.
हाँ.
पूजा time.
And even the bhog ka khichdi, there's this amazing place, Calcutta Club, idhar hi.
Actually, I haven't
And-
been to Calcutta Club. I've been to O Calcutta.
You've been to O Calcutta?
Yeah.
But even the Calcutta Club, the khichdi, oh my god.
Nice.
There are days when I feel so bad, so unwell,
Uh-huh.
so lonely I feel in the night, late in the night, 12 o'clock, and then I'll be like, क्या करूँ ये खा लेता हूँ मैं, I'll order for it, एकदम 2 चम्मच घी भर भर के घी खाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. और फिर मैं like ये मतलब जिंदगी में सुकून वाला खाना है.
It's so cute. You look so cute when you're talking about food, you know.
I love it, but people don't associate me with food. I'm that one person who will have food like ये जो है ना, मैं सब कुछ का थोड़ा थोड़ा खाऊंगा,
हाँ.
but मैं इतना नहीं खा पाऊंगा. मतलब I'll eat little portions. What
Yeah.
kind of a foodie are you? Are you a foodie?
I'm a foodie, but I will also do the same.
Same.
Yeah, I can't like suddenly eat a ton and then because I'm not able to function then.
Yeah, but it is better that way to eat little
Yeah.
portions. But what is that one food memory that you have from your childhood, like some speciality which your mom or your father cooked maybe for you?
So nobody knows, but my dad actually grew up in Kashmir.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's like a Kashmiri thing called gand gobi. Ever had it?
No.
It has a very distinct taste. My dad once made gand gobi for us at home. It was beautiful. My mom still prefers her own hand-cooked food. She's an excellent cook.
But ऐसा कुछ childhood में जो बनाती थी आपके लिए और जो आप crave करते थे?
अभी भी जो भी बनाते हैं मैं crave ही करती. बहुत simple food, whether it's rajma or chole or something more Bihari like aloo ki bhunjia and the triangle or square parathas made at home. Simple namak ajwain ka paratha, bundi ka raita.
Aloo sheddo, have you ever had? Like in Bengali, they make so the mashed potato.
Hmm.
They mix it with mirchi, mustard oil, and a little bit of piyaz.
Hmm.
Okay, and oh my god, it is something
Sounds
to
like heaven.
die for. And a little bit of those amchur. Okay, and oh, you have it with dal. Bhai, मेरे को तो I'm just putting all the Bengali things out there. I feel because my mother makes it. You know, my
Yeah.
mother has a distinct way of making khichdi, which I really love.
I
It's
love
the
begun
easiest.
bhaja and all Bengali food mein.
Which is the
Love
cuisine
it.
that you enjoy the most? Even in India, what is the place that you have gone to and you've loved, or maybe you've tried something new and you really, really loved it?
Bengali food for sure, and
You want the
even
avocado?
even the Malayali food. Go for it. Eat
Ooh.
Malayali food, Bengali food, and South Indian food basically. India, we are blessed with so much variety. बाहर जाओ तो पता चलता है जब 2 दिन पूरे दिन पास्ता खाना पड़ता है. Then you realize.
बट बाहर जाके भी कभी ऐसा कुछ खाना ट्राई किया है जो मतलब लगा था कि व्हाई एम आई ट्राइंग इट एंड टर्न्ड आउट टू बी गुड और इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी रियली बैड?
Every day.
क्या खाया?
I think I had I was in Berlin for something and I had a pasta which was really, the Italian way of making pasta, a little kacha with no seasoning. I just felt like मैं मैदा चबा रही हूँ कच्चा. It was horrible.
There are places around the world where they have like worms and stuff. Have you ever seen those videos? Yeah. Have you ever?
I can't.
You can't.
I can't.
You freak out.
No, I can't. I know they're saying कीड़े खाने से वर्ल्ड की प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी की प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो जाएगी, but I can't.
What is the diet that you are following usually, like in the pregnancy thing? What is that you're craving the most? सुबह से रात
So
तक how are
I
you
just
planning?
do a lot of fruits in the morning, fruits and soaked nuts,
Yeah.
and just good intake of protein and vegetable soup in the night.
Oh.
So being quite healthy, yeah. Yeah.
Do you make it yourself at home?
No, I have a cook,
Yeah, but
but when I
having
have
home cooked.
time, I cook. अभी तो promotions वगैरह चल रहे हैं. It's very chaotic. I have 2 cats. I do a lot of gardening also. So all that is in my mind. But yeah, otherwise both of us like to cook.
If you have to give a small recipe, जो सबसे आसान तरीका है कुछ ऐसा बनाने का जो आप बहुत पसंद करते हो या अली बहुत पसंद करता है खाने में, जो आप क्विकली बना लेते हो अगर कभी भी भूख लगती है, तो वो क्या होगा और रेसिपी क्या है?
I think avocado, guacamole, easy to make at home.
What all do you put?
पहले तो you make sure that avocado is correctly ripe.
Yeah.
Then छोटा कटा प्याज, टमाटर. If you want to add a bit of punch, you can add like 1 tablespoon of mustard to it. It's a trick. Then lal pili shimla mirch, finely chopped again. Nicely make it into one creamy guac thing. And then if you put pepper, of course, but little bit crackling sea salt. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Not
yeah,
just
yeah.
namak,
Not the
little
namak.
crackling
Yeah.
बड़ा Himalayan
Yeah.
sea salt. कभी कभी वो crackle करेगा मुंह के अंदर. And finish with big leaves of dhania. So it's like cilantro. Then so easy to make. You can put it on bread. You can eat it with chapati. I mix it with everything.
Nachos.
Yeah.
And I learned it while I was cooking for one of my episodes. That
Really?
apparently you have to put lemon on avocado, otherwise it goes black.
Yeah. Nimbu, yeah.
Yeah. And because you said that you love kaffir lime, which is Gondoraj lebu. What is it?
Can I tell you a trick to get the juice for Gondoraj Limbu out without affecting the whole Nimbu?
How? Tell me.
Take the whole lemon और उसका जो टिप होता है ना ऊपर, जो उसकी चोंच होती है छोटी सी, just pierce that, reverse it and squeeze it. So you don't have to cut the Nimbu. You literally do like a injection of something and then just squeeze it. So only some juice will come out. It will not become black or brown or dry like you do after cutting it. And then when you need to use the full thing, sometimes you just want to spritz a little on your salad.
Oh,
That's a hack.
This is a life-saving hack. मुझे कहीं पता ही नहीं है. But you know, if you talk about your food memories,
Hmm.
which is the place that you usually frequent with Ali, like from the time you started dating?
Hmm.
ऐसा कोई joint है, छोटा भी joint होगा तो भी चलेगा, जहाँ पे आप लोग चुपके से जाते थे, यहाँ पे लोगों के, because for the longest time you had to hide your relationship and you didn't want to come out in public.
They weren't
Although
hiding, but
you were not hiding, but you didn't, like, away from people's prying eyes.
the thing is, I didn't want my family to find out from the press. You know, we also have families.
That's true.
So when I was ready to discuss this at home with my family and with all of them, then I thought I'll just come out. And I remember I had to travel to be his +1 for the Venice Film Festival with Judi Dench. I was like, I'm not missing your Judi Dench red carpet for the world. He was like, but no one knows. I was like, let's just tell them now. It's time. You know, so that was a few years ago. But touchwood, things have been great.
But how many years have you been dating before that then?
Not too long. Not maybe couple of years. Not too long.
Even I knew it. I thought I knew it 6 months before that.
Yeah.
premiere. We got a hang of it. We had met also at one of the screenings where, of course, I knew,
Yeah.
but it was of course not in the papers at that point. this
But
is
we
like
used to
one-
hang out. We used to hang out.
Of course, we met at whatever. We met somewhere. It was lovely. I think both of you balance each other really well, like complement each other really well. But I feel you have that mad energy, I feel, which you bring to the table all the time. And I feel it's always fun to have a conversation with you because you're blatantly honest, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes it can cost you a lot of things. Do you think it has ever cost you work?
No.
Not really.
No. I think maybe it has cost me not work, but agar someone has sent me a script and I've been like, nahi, itni achhi nahi hai, then it's cost me the relationship. But I don't think it's cost me work. I've turned down some stuff, but not been unkind, but just generally said ke yaar mujhe samajh nahi aayi.
Yeah.
And any film is a big commitment, no?
Absolutely. If you don't believe in it, you can't perform.
You have to spend 2 months at least in pre-prod, whatever 45 days to however long it takes to shoot it, and then editing, promotions, dubbing, and God knows what all. So it's actually like having a baby. It's like 8-9 months of your life, you know. So I just like to weigh that with a lot of care. And sometimes that honesty doesn't sit well with people. Like what
But
we were
honest-
talking about, लोग बुरा मान जाते हैं, सच का बुरा मान जाते हैं, झूठ का बुरा नहीं मानते.
झूठ का तो वो लोग, मैंने तो ऐसे भी सिचुएशंस देखे हैं जहाँ पे लोगों को पता है कि ये झूठ मूठ की प्रेज कर रहे हैं, या फिर सपोज XYZ has already bitched about them to somebody else and they know of it, but in front of them XYZ is being nice and they would believe that. But if you come and tell them and give them a reality check, I think that unfortunately हम लोग ने ऐसे जमाने में हैं और ऐसे इंडस्ट्री में है जहाँ पे हर किसी में वो आदत है कि हर किसी एक दूसरे को हाँ बोल देते हैं. They are surrounded by yes sayers, you know, and that's why a lot of times what happens is they're not ready to accept the truth, the reality. They run away from it. Do you tend
Yeah,
to believe that?
I think that's what happens. Like someone not taking feedback well about their script. यार जबरदस्ती तो नहीं है ना कि तुम्हारी उसमें एक्टिंग करना जरूरी है, but it's like that only.
Yeah, and it's sad sometimes, you know, it's so sad that they don't understand that we are also meaning from a place of like we are well meaning for them. It's not like कि कुछ गंदा उनको demean करने के लिए बोलते हैं, but ठीक है, अभी ऐसा होता रहता है. But you know, here you spend your time with 5-6 women.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
लेना और
नहीं मत चलेगा. 5 और औरतों के साथ आपने काम किया है, तो मैंने ये बोला है इंट्रोडक्शन में कि मर्दों का जमाना रहा है और औरतों ने आके आफत मचाई है. दिस इज अ लाइन फ्रॉम डर्टी पिक्चर व्हिच हैड विद्या बालन, and I completely agree with it. It takes somebody like Sanjay Leela Bhansali to present women the way they are presented. They are not presented as mere props. They are not even presented as victims. They are actually presented as survivors. All 6 of you are presented as survivors despite your shortcomings, despite your pangs of ego, lust, love, everything.
Yeah.
It is very difficult to look at women from the lens that he does, and most filmmakers don't do that. We'll come to Sanjay sir's viewpoint later, but have you ever felt trapped in a film where you felt like what you signed up for was not how it went, especially for your character or for female character?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, like 3-4 times.
3-4 times?
Yeah.
How did you react? And you had to complete the film?
I had to complete the film because I had started out doing the film. Particularly one film which I was told is very feminist and whatever, but it turned out to be really like if I hadn't put my foot down about some stuff, it would have been rather vulgar. That also happens in our industry, especially when you're not from here. And like, I don't know, just people's intentions are weird. No one, I want to say no actor signs up for a film thinking कि ये तो बुरी बनेगी. You sign up thinking, okay, this guy knows his job, he is well intentioned, he'll make it like this, like this, like this. And then eventually it doesn't shape up like that. So, yeah, it's happened a few times, 3-4 times.
But how did you even like survive through it and then after that promoting it?
Well, in 2 cases, I did not promote it. I was just like, you lied to me, so I'm not promoting it. And then उन फिल्मों का कुछ हुआ नहीं.
हाँ.
But yeah, one time I was just like, I had to, because they were like, if you don't promote it, it'll become a thing for the team. So I did promote it also a little bit. But like I said, I didn't enjoy the process, and I let those people know that I don't think I'll work with you again. See, this is the honest part that I was like, I'm not going to do this again. Are you crazy? पर होते हैं लोग हिमाकत करते हैं दूसरी स्क्रिप्ट भेजने की, ऐसे भी होते हैं.
But उन्होंने भेजा भी है.
बाद में एक और, I was like, are you mad? It's not gonna happen.
But have you been cheated of money?
Yeah. Of course.
Like, how much? And how many times?
Crores. Easily. Yeah, many times. In this gully only, wherever we are right now.
क्या हुआ मतलब?
Just they don't give the last installment, or the last check will bounce, and I just find it very fake because this is also one of the reasons I became a producer, is because I wanted to see why is it so difficult to just respectfully pay people what you've promised them.
True.
And you don't have to promise the sun and the moon. You pay people what your budget can afford. Like, a film with Excel and a film with a studio in Aram Nagar, which is an independent film, will not pay you the same. But at least make sure that the payments, whatever is being promised you, X amount, comes on time and is delivered to you, and you don't have to send someone hankering after the last check. It happens so much that promotion किया तो staff का पैसा नहीं आया जिन्होंने hair makeup किया है, and these are all people who made the show or made the film. And they made everyone look nice.
You've been the voice of reason for a lot of things, right? Like,
See,
do you fight it then?
No, the thing is you can, but if people are shameless, you can't pursue it beyond a point of time. And what happens is also, you will see the same people tweeting about fairness, gender parity, pay parity. वो तब सब हो जाते हैं, feminist भी हो जाते हैं, ethical भी हो जाते हैं. But you can't hold up a mirror to them. They'll just crumble and fall.
That's true. And when you look at Sanjay sir and the way he presents women or the way he presents characters, he's set a prototype where it is only his world. In बहुत साल पहले, बहुत युग पहले के आसिफ साहब जिस मतलब उनके रिसोर्सेज के हिसाब से उन्होंने जैसी मूवीज बनाई हैं या फिर जैसे औरतों को प्रेजेंट किया है उन्होंने अपनी मूवीज में, आई थिंक संजय सर्स फिनिश also comes from the immense respect that he has towards women in general.
Yeah.
How do you see that? Because there's so many times that you faced producers and directors who don't have so much respect for women.
But I want to say, whether men or women, it doesn't matter. Sometimes women are extremely dishonest and completely unethical and disparaging you, lying, cheating. So feminism has nothing to do with gender.
Absolutely.
There are toxic women who are cheats, whose checks will bounce, but they'll write on Twitter ki we are feminists and all that, and then you know what I mean? Give me a break. So like basically, I think for Sanjay sir, the fact that he is Sanjay Leela Bhansali is very important to him. That he gives respect to his mother in everything that he chooses to do. He's taken her name. He was raised with his sister Bela. So it's like, it's the whole thing. Like, you know, it's like having loving women raise you and having that respect for women. And it shows in his work.
Absolutely.
Whether it's like a woman in a male setup, like in Devdas, where Paru and
True.
Chandramukhi sort of trapped by patriarchy. One is, you know, getting married, and one is, you know, trapped in the work conditions that she is. They both move the story forward. They're not props. And at the same time, there are other things that he does where, I don't know, where women are directly leading charge, like in Hira Mandi
Yeah.
or Gangubai.
Oh my God, what films, yeah, matlab, and you are the female Devdas
Ah,
in
yeah.
Hira Mandi. Only, you know, did that ever strike you?
Not when I was shooting it, because I was so focused on my prep with like Meena Kumari ji and Rekha, that I was studying their stuff, their talaffuz, their adain, and their pain in many places.
Yeah.
That I didn't think of it
Rekha
like
ji
this.
embodies pain in such ways, like I don't know if I
But
should.
yeah, she's done everything. She's been like the Chulbuli in
Yeah.
Rishikesh Mukherjee's films with Khoobsurat and other things. Early on in her career, she did so much. Then to do Umrao Jaan and Muqaddar Ka Sikandar and so much, like she's just stunning.
No, I remember this. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna tell you because you're a friend. So when I was going through like a really tough time emotionally, like I was going through a breakup, this was the thing that I told that person that you know, दूर से ना रेखा जी को आप जितना देखोगे तो ग्रेस नजर आएगा, डिग्निटी नजर आएगी, उनमें बहुत है वो, बट जितना आप उनके करीब आओगे ना तो थोड़ा पेन दिखेगा. And
Oh,
I
really?
refuse to be the Rekha ji of your life. I told that person. I remember that very, very well. And this
I
was a
don't know.
line
I
to-
can't see the pain when I see her today. I just see grace, poise,
Yeah.
beauty, and a tremendous degree of humility. when I see
Absolutely.
her.
That's why she's where she is
Mm.
actually. But you know, when you talk about women, you've always had great time working with women.
Yeah.
Like, and all the women, most of the women actually, not all, most of the women who you have worked with, they have never had issues with you. You have never had issues with them. But there are also times when you have had like people around you who are insecure, right?
Yeah.
How do you deal with that? Does it make it difficult for an artist then ki you are dealing with a person, you're playing the part in a film which is important, but then there are people who are actually insecure?
I block them in my mind. Like they just, I do my job and I go and they cease to exist for me. That's what I do.
Yeah. But does it not become difficult?
No,
Because you have to act with them the very next
becomes
day.
difficult for them because I'm otherwise so warm that when I'm cold with someone, it's very obvious. Yeah.
You everything is yours.
Yeah, everything's here.
Mm.
I'm at my honesty, I can't change. So I'll come, I'll do my cues, I'll be civil with you, but I will not be cordial. I will not make an empty promise like, let's hang out. No, I'm not gonna hang out with you. You know? So it's very clear. Life is so busy. We just don't have time.
That's true. That's true. For all this.
Yeah.
Especially for
and
all
you
this.
don't have to, like, ye misconception, and you don't have to get along with everyone you work with. You'll meet all kinds of women and men. You don't have to befriend everyone.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's absolutely true. And you know, today now that you're embracing motherhood and parenthood, both of you, what are the things that you've already like thought of? Is there a plan that you've made for yourself in the way you are going to channelize your career and balance out time? Because you are promoting here in your 7th month of pregnancy. Of course, you're going to take a break now, like you said, for the next 2 months. You will completely, and it's also needed because, of course, you have to take care of yourself. But is there a schedule? Because you are a practical person, you of course have
Yeah.
planned it that way.
No, I'm practical, but I'm not like living as per like a Google Calendar.
Okay, lovely.
But I'll get to do things that I don't normally get to do a lot. Like I'll read, I will do some gardening and some nature stuff. Then I will possibly write. I'll focus a little bit more on like a business or production. And apart from all this work stuff, I'll do fun things like prenatal yoga, swimming. I'll do all that. It's very important.
It is. It is. Postpartum is also a very big
Huh.
concern, right?
Yeah.
Because you've already heard it and seen women around you go through it. Are you already prepared to like handle it in
I
a way?
didn't see anyone around me go through it. And I normally like pregnancy is also a time where people give you a lot of unsolicited advice.
What
they'll-
like kya mila?
No, it's not unsolicited advice as much as just coming up to you and talking to you about their own terrible experiences. Like, I had 6 miscarriages before I had my child or something, and I'm just then also I just block it out because I'm like, that's your experience, you know. It doesn't have to happen to me. I'm having a really great time. I'm comfortable. I'm healthy. I sleep well. I have no issues of any kind whatsoever. I have a good doctor. So this is also a time where you don't listen to other people because everyone's bound to go through this at some point, men
True.
or women.
True.
You know, when they choose to expand their family or whatever it is.
But you also have a very supportive family, and Ali, who's always so protective of you. I remember seeing you at the Fukre screening, and he was so protective of you. He was making sure that there were hardly like how many people? 50 of us? 25, 40 to 50 people, and it was a closed screening, if you remember.
Yeah, at Lightbox?
Yeah, Lightbox.
Yeah.
And he was so protective. I could see that, and I think that he's amazing. And
Yeah,
he's gonna be
great.
But what are the qualities of him that you have learned to tolerate with as a wife thing? And what are the qualities of yours that he has learned to tolerate now?
I don't know what he tolerates about me. What I tolerate about him is that he's a little absent-minded. Like he'll leave something and forget where he is. Or he'll forget his own schedule. Like he will, he'll call a massage guy at the same time as there is a production meeting, at the same time as a cook is coming for an interview. So suddenly he double parks on his schedule and I'm like, आप यहाँ बैठो, आप मुझे 5 मिनट दो, आप ऊपर जाओ. So like, yeah. But he's gotten better with that since. I think he desperately needs an EA. No, we both do because lives are...
Up to you must.
Yeah, I will get now. So these are the jobs I'll do after I take a break.
But lastly, before I wrap up, I have to tell you that congratulations, and I'm definitely coming to see the baby when he or she comes, and I will come without a camera. That's a promise, like I've made to you before. Off camera, मैंने ये बोल दिया है.
That's a Ali rule.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
I'm people might see me on social media, but all my precious memories are on my phone, but they're never on social media. And I think I'm one of those who will respect the other person's wishes, and I would not even go with a camera. I just feel like everything doesn't need to be out there. Some things are better here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Not everything needs to be for public consumption.
Yeah. But jate, Richa, I will only ask you this, that you've always stood up for the right reasons, for right things, and you've always been a voice and face of change. Ali and you are excessively in love, and which is a great thing. Touch wood, now you're gonna be parents. In the beginning, unfortunately, the climate around us is such where people really can't see two people in love, especially when there is a difference in religion. There have been success stories, and this will also be remembered as one. But in the beginning, when you decided, were there opinions of relatives and all these bystanders that came to you?
Actually, if you stand firm with your choice, and your immediate family is firm with you and supportive of you, nobody else really matters.
True.
And like I said, a human being is a human being first, and when you go and fall in love, your search has no filters on.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you fall in love. That's what it is.
And I hope and pray that everything works out for you. But I have never done this. I have had this, but I'm gonna come and give you a hug.
Aw, thank you.
Wish you lots of love. Thank you for doing this. It was a table for 2.
Yes.
Actually, a table for 3.
Right.
It was a table for 3.
2.5.
2.5. I can't wait to see the little Ali or little Richa. And thank you for doing this. Lots of love. And Heeramandi, you are amazing. But I hope and pray that you continue to do what you do and continue to stand for the reasons that you stand for.
Thank
you so much.
Thanks,
Thank
Nayan.
you.
So sweet. Hi, this is me, Richa Chadda, and you're watching me on Galata, India.
Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.